Welcome viewers to Smart Learning French language class. This is the first class, video class in the new year 2024. Bonne année 2024. Happy New Year 2024 to all of my viewers, friends and students and well-wishers of the channel Smart Learning. Today's topic is a very important topic of the French grammar, Adjectif Possessif, possessive adjective in French grammar. I'll be showing you in today's class how to solve the problem relating to this particular topic of the French grammar. Before starting today's lesson, please permit me to let you know once again that I have launched a very effective French Communicative Course. This is a short-time online course totally. You can join comfortably and you can continue the course comfortably at home. This is a totally online course. And this course will be giving a very good coverage regarding the communicative aspects of the French language. And the persons who are interested or students who are interested to visit France or itself or any other French-speaking countries for the purpose of higher studies or official purpose or job purpose, and the Canadian immigration aspirants, there is the persons who are interested for Canadian job industries, all of them will definitely be benefited from this communicative course. If you are interested to join this course and if you are interested to follow this course online comfortably at home, you can contact me. My contact details is given in the video description. Before starting today's topic, I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it fast. Please like and share the video lesson because like and share will encourage me to work hard for the next lesson. I thank to all of my subscribers who have already subscribed the channel Smart Learning. Let's start today's topic. Thank you. Let's start today's topic. Adjective possessive is a very important topic. Please don't skip the video. Please see the total video. You'll be really learning something from this video lesson. Okay. Adjective possessive, today's topic. I'm giving you the total chart of the adjective possessive of the French grammar. Mo, ma, me, to, ta, te. So, sa, se. Notro, notro, no. Votro, votro, vo. Lor, lor, lor. This is the total form, total chart. This is for the first person singular, this is for the second person, this is informal, this is for the third person singular, okay, and third person singular, il, L, third person singular. And this is for nous, first person plural. This is formal, you, vous, second person. And this is they, il or L, this is plural. They, third person plural. Okay. This is the total form to be used for the purpose of possessive adjective. Okay. Whenever you are applying for writing any sentence or in the communicative purpose, whatever may be. Now I will be showing you some exemplary sentences and how to use it properly. Okay. First, one thing you have to keep it in mind that mo, ma, me, it depends on to, ta, te. It is for masculine, it is for feminine, and it is for plural. Okay. Masculine, feminine, and plural. In every case, this is for masculine, this is feminine, and this is for plural. This is the main thing. Now, what happens? It depends on totally the not on the possessor, but it depends on the what you possess. Okay, what you possess, it depends on that. Means the article or object which you are possessing, that is the masculine or feminine as per their gender. It depends on that. Okay, so the possessor is masculine or feminine, it doesn't depend on that. But what they possess, it depends on that. The possession, it depends on possession. Okay. The mo ma me, that is if the possessor possession, what you possess, if that one is masculine, then it is masculine possessive adjective you have to use. If it is feminine, the feminine adjective possessive you have to use, and if it is plural, then plural you have to use. Okay, this is the main thing. And this rule and formula you have to keep it in mind. Okay. Now I am showing you some examples. Then it will be more clear. This is one sentence. This is first sentence, number 1. J'aime beaucoup dash père et mère. In 2 blank spaces I have given and showing in the sentence. You have to fill it up with the adjective possessive. I love very much, or I like very much. My father and mother. So father is masculine, so it will be mon père. And mother, mère is feminine, so it is ma mère. It depends on that. Say, I like or I love very much my father and my mother. Okay. J'aime beaucoup mon père et ma mère. Okay. Is it clear? Now I am giving you the second example. Catherine donne le crayon à dash petit garçon. Okay. So what will be the appropriate or correct adjective possessive in the blank space? Catherine gives the pencil to little boy. To à son petit garçon. So it is petit garçon. This garçon is masculine, so it is ça. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Number 3. Manuel donne des chocolats is a sentence. Manuel donne des chocolats à dash ami. Okay. Manuel is a proper name. Manuel gives some chocolates to friends. to his friends. This is friends is it is plural. So say. Ses amis. It depends on that. It is masculine, feminine or plural. It depends on that. Okay. It's plural, so you are using say. Please take down in your copy. I'm showing you one by one. Les enfants. Okay. Here's an example. Les enfants aiment the children. Les enfants, the children loves. The children love their father and their mother. So it is the les enfants. That is, it is singular. So it will their, lor, plural, lor, singular. That is pair is one person, say lor, L-E-U-R. Here also L-E-U-R. Okay. Les enfants. The children loves their father and their mother. Okay. Please take down. But if I am changing a little bit, les enfants aiment. If I give it parents, okay, para. Les enfants aiment. What will be in this case? It will be plural. L-E-U-R-S. Their parents. Parents. As it is plural, so you are using plural. And the previous case, as it was in the case number 4, that is sentence number 4, it was singular, so L-E-U-R, but it is plural. In parents it is plural, so L-E-U-R-S. Okay, it depends on that. Sophie donne la robe à sœur. Okay. Here, sir is sister, feminine, singular. So, Sophie is a proper name. Sophie gives the dress to her, sa sœur. Okay, sa sœur. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Manuel donne le journal à here. What will be the appropriate adjective in the blank space? That is à son frère. Son frère. His brother. Manuel gives the newspaper to his brother. Frère is singular, masculine, so S-O-N. Son. Son is being used. Okay. Please take down in your copy. The father, le père aime beaucoup, beaucoup. Enfant, enfant is plural, children. So, ses enfants, ses enfants. Okay. The father loves very much his children. But if I make a little bit of change, that is, in this sentence I am showing you, les para, the parents, aime, okay, les parents, the parents, love their son. Okay, here, lor. This is a plural, their sons. So, lor, L-E-U-R-S, lor. The parents love their sons. Okay. That's all for today's class. I'll be coming with the next grammatical topic of the French grammar in the next video lesson. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for attending the class.